Hey guys, it's Tom with Symbol Surfing. Welcome to another video. Today's video is about Texas Instruments TXN. It closed on Friday at $180.51. I think that's a key level. In today's video, I want to talk about two important things. It recently hit an all-time high about a month ago on Monday, April 5th, 2021, and then they had their earnings announcement last week on Tuesday, April 27th, 2021. Okay, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, and this YouTube channel does not contain any kind of financial advice. Okay, so from the home page, all I did was I went to the earnings date calendar, and then I went back to Tuesday, April 27th, and these are all companies that reported earnings and their one-year chart on April 27th. So we have Microsoft, Visa, Novartis, UPS, Eli Lilly, and here's Texas Instruments. All right, so I'm just going to jump over here. So this is the actual Texas Instruments page on Symbol Surfing. So if we're looking at the one-year chart, it's really easy to see that this is the 52-week high, but it's actually an all-time high. So if we go to the 5-year chart, that's the highest price it's been at in 5 years, and then 25 years, this is the highest price it's been ever, and it's that price was $197.58. And right now we're at $180.51. So it's pulled back from that all-time high. And as you probably know, Texas Instruments trades on the NASDAQ. It's a large cap stock, and it's a member of the NASDAQ 100 and S&P 500. And it's in the technology sector and semiconductors industry. All right, so what I was just trying to point out, though, is that an all-time high is obviously a super bullish indicator, and the reason why I want to do this video is because I think the price right now is at a key level. So what I want to do is just show you guys the strategy I'm employing here. So from the homepage, you can see that there's 3 strategies. There's buy the highs, buy the dips, and buy the lows. On the buy the highs, what we're doing here is the setup for this is 2 or more consecutive post-earning price increases with the price at or near the 50-day moving average and the 52-week high, multi-year high, or even all-time high. So obviously this fits. So on just in terms of this all-time high, also I want to point out is from going back on this one-year chart, this is actually the buy the low strategy, which is the golden cross, and we have price higher after earnings, and it's taking out new 52-week highs. So this would be a great entry point for the buy the lows. But the reason why I'm bringing this up also is if you're in this trade or watching the stock, you'll see that it retraced to the 50-day moving average and then bounced off it, retraced the 50-day moving average, bounced off of it, kind of went along it for a few months there, a little bit higher. And then on this earnings date, it bounced off of it again, dipped and bounced off it, went higher. And then even more recently, it went through the 50-day moving average only to quickly break back through the 50-day moving average to a new all-time high. So that's what we've seen, how this stock behave over the last year. So I think that's really important. Okay, so that was talking about the all-time high. So next up is the earnings. Okay, so we can just look at the 3-month chart just to really highlight this. So this is the earnings date right here. And from this all-time high, the price fell through earnings, and it's sitting right there at that 50-day moving average right now. So let's look at the earnings. So the most recent earnings, they reported $1.87 per share, and the estimates were $1.56 per share. So they beat by almost 20%. So that's really good, and the price did sell off a little bit. But we're sitting right here, and what I'm noticing is, let me just pull it up here. I did a Facebook video on something similar. So basically, we had a breakout basically up to a new all-time high, and now what it's doing is it seems like it's retesting, because I'm saying that the support here is basically the 50-day moving average. That we talked about that already. So what I'm looking for is a little bit more of a bounce off of this, and this would be the buy the high strategy. Buy high, sell higher potentially. So I just wanted to share that with you. All right, so that's me talking about Texas Instruments. They were recent all-time high in their recent earnings announcement. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Click subscribe for straightforward chart analysis, and ring the bell so you get access to our latest videos. Thank you for watching.